Good morning, my dear friends. Hope you are taking care of your good health and your parents at home. Today I given you 3 PDF files about the classification of activities of cash flow statement. I discussed in my previous videos there are 3 types of activities: operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. These are the 3 activities by which we may generate cash, or we can use cash in these 3 activities. So please learn this point. Now the question arises, the very first, we will learn on the first activity, that is operating activity. Operating activities, for example, cash receipts from sale of goods or rendering services. So that is an operating activity. A doctor is giving service, an advocate is giving service, or a trader is selling the goods. So it's a operating activity. Cash received from royalties, fees, commission and other revenues, like an author earned from royalties and so many, I should say, incentives he get. So that is also a operating activity. Fees which we get, coaching centers and all, commission, a broker who get commission. So whatever operating activities we are doing, we are receiving cash, we are generating cash. Cash received from trade receivable, cash payment to suppliers from whom we purchase the goods, cash payment to and on behalf of employees for salary, wages, etc. These also operating activities. So please learn these activities. Then I will explain the question. For a computer manufacturing company, manufacturing and selling computer is its principal revenue producing activity, and whatever activities are principal revenue producing activities, that comes in operating activity, my dears. In the same manner, for a trading company, purchase and sale of goods, that is a principal revenue producing activity. So all these are operating activities. For insurance company, the premium they receive, that is also the same. So please read it, write it out of the PDF file which I have given you. Then I will explain the question of this operating activity. Out of these 3 activities, operating, investing and financing, we will learn first only operating activities. Please focus on it. Thank you very much. God bless you.